When we get our property tax bill in the mail, it can feel like it came out of nowhere. But tax rates aren't decided randomly overnight. There's a lot of factors that go into setting the rate each year, and the municipal side is only one part of it. There's also the school district, state schools, and county. Let's take a look at that municipal part. Did you know that the budget process takes about half a year before you vote on it at the ballot in April? There's actually multiple opportunities for you to become involved before then. Balancing a budget is a team effort, and one that starts with each town department as they look at the resources, staffing, and other costs necessary for keeping Merrimack up and running. The department heads then propose their budget to the town manager and discuss their priorities for the year ahead. It's also a useful second look to see if anything can be streamlined or modified prior to making their first appearance at a public meeting. Once every department's budget has been assembled, it's time for each of them to be presented to and discussed by the town council, with various line items being explained. This is your chance to become involved and provide feedback on or suggest changes to the budget during public hearings and public comment. Being so early in the process, this is the point where you can advocate for specific changes. When the council has given their approval of the budget, it's off to deliberative session in March. As with the town council meetings, any resident can attend deliberative session. The council will read the proposed warrant articles aloud, and then residents raise their card to vote on whether or not to send it to the ballot as printed or amend it. In the case of the municipal operating budget as a warrant article, you can make a motion to add or subtract from the amount in the bottom line in this phase, but not on individual line items in the budget. Once approved, the budget heads to the town election in April, where residents like you have final voting power over its passage. While the budget is voted on in mid-April, the tax year is actually April 1st to March 31st. Merrimack has a twice-a-year billing procedure. The first bill is half of what you paid in total for taxes last year, but does take into account any new assessments done since then. This bill is mailed at the end of May and is due on July 1st. The second is what you would pay for this year based on the new rate, subtracting the first bill from the total. This second bill is typically mailed at the end of October and is due December 1st, or 30 days after mailing if not by October 31st. If you're wondering what a tax rate usually looks like, here's that example again, using the 2022 tax rate of $17.38 per $1,000 of assessed valuation. If you have questions about your tax bill or the process, you can contact the tax collector's office at 603-424-3651. Thanks for watching.